quick question. I have a tile roof and know that the underlay, there's the felt, but I've seen some homes recently with something that has a shinier product to it as far as an underlay. What's the difference? What are the pros and cons?
Okay, so for tile roofs, we offer a G40. It's a 40-pound felt. Industry standard is 30, and that's a fiberglass mat. And then the other underlayment we do is a tile seal, so it's like a pill and stick. It doesn't actually need to be nailed in, and it's a white membrane, so it's reflective, and so it reflects the heat, and so it lasts a lot longer. And then also too, with that underlayment, not having to put the cap nails all through it helps with the overall age of the roof to last.
And when you say 30 pound, 40 pound.
Sorry, go ahead.
Go ahead, Jeff. What was that?
Does that decrease the heat, so to speak, in the attic?
Yes.
With that overlay?
Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Being that white membrane, it reflects the heat and doesn't attract it. Definitely does.
Huh. And does it increase the length of the, let's say, roof life, I guess?
It increases the longevity, especially because there's no punctures being put into the roof. Because that's the biggest thing, is all the penetrations are what's going to eventually lead to leaks because you have holes in your roof. And so obviously we do our best to seal everything and make sure everything's watertight. But over time, it's going to obviously deteriorate.